Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman has been warning us all day that now are going to be some of those powerful winds of the day, but it sounds like the numbers are already impressive.
Yeah, very impressive. Over the next few hours, we're going to kind of see the peak winds and then they'll subside. Take a look at the gusts so far today. The peak gusts 62 miles per hour in Crescent City and Montague, even a gust up to 89 miles per hour on Squaw Peak along the Siskiyous. Weed 58 miles per hour, also above 50 miles per hour for Gold Beach and Klamath Falls. And so far the peak gust in Medford at 47 miles per hour. We do have high wind warnings still in place until the early morning hours tomorrow. The coast, parts of the Rogue and Shasta Valley, the south ends of the valleys, and then the east side, the higher terrain, especially towards Summer Lake, gusts possible above 60 miles per hour. We also have wind advisories for the rest of the Rogue and Shasta Valleys and the Klamath Basin until between about 4 to 7 a.m. for these wind advisories. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour possible with winds out of the south and southeast. We also have widespread precipitation, some heavier rain working through the Grants Pass area, snow up in our higher elevations, and the snow has been accumulating. We'll zoom into Lake of the Woods through 140. Roads are getting snow covered and the snow continues to come down. Also around the Diamond Lake area and also hooking up to 97. Very snowy along 97 right now in the junction with 138. We do expect accumulating snow in the Chemult area, at least seeing a few inches. And then check out Mount Shasta. Snow is coming down and it is sticking now, and it does look like traffic is slowing down as a result of the snow. Winter storm warnings in place for the Mount Shasta area until 7 a.m. You can see the snow coming down. These brighter blues, that's some heavier snow. And as we broaden out things, we got to get through these batches of precipitation and then things will wind down as we head into tomorrow morning. But tonight it's going to be wet and windy and for some areas quite snowy. Right now, temperatures 39 in Klamath Falls, it's 44 in Montague, 52 in Medford, and where we're seeing that snow in Mount Shasta, it's 34 degrees. Tonight, wet and windy down to 44 in Medford, 34 in Klamath Falls. We could see a little bit of a wintry mix and some snow in Klamath Falls and Lakeview, but I don't think it's going to add up to all that much. Winter storm warnings for portions of Siskiyou County, including the Mount Shasta area, several inches of snow expected. And we also have a winter weather advisory until 7 a.m. tomorrow for the Tennant area in eastern Siskiyou County, 2 to 5 inches of snow expected there. So let's take a look at snow amounts. Overnight, we're expecting totals around 3 to 6 inches in the city of Mount Shasta, 6 to 8 up at Snowman Summit. About trace to an inch at the Siskiyou Summit. It has been snowing up at the Siskiyou Summit tonight so far. And then the east side, we will get some accumulations, especially for the higher elevations of the east side, including around Chemult, Crater Lake picking up over at least a half a foot of snow. So taking a look at Stormcast, wet weather really starts to wrap up as we head into tomorrow morning. Also snow levels will be coming up. And then in the afternoon tomorrow, pretty quiet for the second half of the day. The next storm system comes in on Wednesday, but snow levels will be higher. So tomorrow, most of the wet weather early on, and then things dry out for the most part, and then temperatures eventually getting milder in the Rogue Valley after that next system on Wednesday. Thursday, highs back in the 60s. Your 7-day forecast looking like this. A string of some wet days for the coast, showers likely Wednesday into Thursday on your Veterans Day. For Northern California, windy, snowy in the Mount Shasta area tonight, but road conditions will improve as we go through the course of the morning. The Klamath Basin, strong winds tonight and still pretty gusty tomorrow with rain and snow through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Drier weather expected later in the week. The Cascades, snowy conditions. Be careful on those passes early tomorrow morning. And then in the Rogue Valley, wet and windy tonight. Still some showers likely through the middle of the week, but then some drier weather as we head through Friday and even into the weekend with highs in the 60s.